What's up, guys? I'm back. Probably the same outfit as you guys saw yesterday, or last week. It's the same day for me, like 20 minutes later. But if you guys watched, these are getting replaced today. And I have them now in beautiful carbon fiber. Get rid of all that ugly plastic. So I'm gonna show you guys a little step-by-step of taking off the bumper, how to take that off, and then installing the new carbon ones. I'm gonna have to wait a little bit because this exhaust is still a little warm, but we're gonna get to installing these new carbon rear reflector pieces. So after you get off the two clips and the one bolt, there's one more bolt, 7mm, at the top right inside there. So the bolt you're undoing is right here. Now that it's off, you can kind of see it's right there above the white, but the bumper's off. Now we got to take off this clip, and then there's one more on this side, and then it should just pop right out, and then the new ones pop in. So we got them in. As you saw, there was a little bit of dremeling that had to get done because no aftermarket part ever fits perfectly, but as you can see, the clips I pointed out are back on. We did disconnect this totally with these two screws and then two screws below, which helped a lot with sliding it in on the inside. Now we just gotta put the bumper back on these clips, clip that on, put the 4 screws and 2 clips back in, and we're done. All right, guys, so we got it all wrapped up. They're installed. I still need to put these in, but I do plan to tint them before. I think they'll look a little better tinted. But thanks for watching this video. It was a kind of a video. I didn't do much filming because this was a pain and I wanted to get it done today. And as you can see, I am discussing. I am holding the camera with a towel because my hands are just look like this. Terrible. So they're in. Just got to get these tinted, pop these back in, and she is all done. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.